Online education and vocational training are two fields that have witnessed continuous development in recent years, and are considered to be the most effective means of improving education and training worldwide. These modern technologies come as a solution to many of the challenges that individuals face in learning and developing their practical skills in the modern world. By providing diverse and flexible educational opportunities and offering professional training courses at reasonable prices. In this article, we will take a look at some of the current developments and advancements in the field of online education and vocational training, and explore the opportunities available and the challenges individuals face in this field. 1. The impact of technology on education. There is no doubt that technology has greatly impacted the field of education in recent years. For example, online education and vocational training can provide educational opportunities for individuals around the world, regardless of their geographic, cultural, or linguistic location, as well as providing educational opportunities for students with disabilities or special educational needs. Modern technologies such as educational videos, live lectures, online forums, and online assessments provide many opportunities for learning and interacting with teachers, colleagues, and obtaining assistance and support. Online education can be more convenient for individuals who face work or family pressures, or who live in remote areas or do not have access to traditional educational institutions. It can also be beneficial for individuals who work full-time or have a busy schedule to take advantage of online education and vocational training in their spare time. 2. Available opportunities. Online educational and vocational training opportunities include many training courses and professional certifications that individuals can obtain online. Through such opportunities, individuals can develop their skills, increase their job opportunities, and improve their employment prospects. Individuals can obtain professional certifications in areas such as digital marketing, programming, design, business management, languages, education, and many others. These certifications adhere to specific standards and are granted by leading educational institutions, universities, and well-known companies in their respective fields. Individuals can search for online educational courses and professional certifications that match their interests, skills, and budget, register for them, and obtain accredited certifications. 3. Challenges and obstacles. Despite the many benefits of online education and vocational training, they face some challenges and obstacles. Among these challenges, one can mention the lack of social interaction and personal communication with teachers and peers. This lack can lead to a sense of isolation and detachment from the educational community, thus reducing the opportunities available for learning through social interaction. Individuals interested in vocational training sometimes face difficulty in finding suitable training courses for their professional requirements and needs, as well as obtaining accredited certificates from reputable educational institutions and companies. In addition, individuals sometimes face technological challenges such as internet speed and availability of computers, smartphones, and tablets necessary to access educational and training materials online. For conclusion. In the end, it can be said that online education and vocational training are two important fields that are witnessing continuous development in the modern world. These modern technologies provide great opportunities for individuals to improve their educational level and develop their practical skills in flexible and suitable ways. However, online education and vocational training face challenges and obstacles, such as the lack of social interaction and difficulty in finding suitable training courses, and technological challenges. But these challenges can be overcome by adopting innovative and suitable educational techniques and methods. In the end, individuals should be careful in choosing suitable educational courses and professional certificates accredited by reputable educational institutions and companies, and show commitment and dedication in learning and developing their practical and professional skills. Educational institutions and companies working in this field should also work to improve the quality of educational and training materials and provide comprehensive and suitable services to individuals' needs. In short, online education and vocational training are two important fields that can contribute significantly to improving the level of education and training in the world, and challenges can be overcome by adopting innovative and suitable educational techniques and methods. Individuals who use online education and vocational training can have new opportunities for learning and developing their skills in different fields, thanks to the availability of comprehensive online learning and training resources available to everyone. Individuals who learn through online education and vocational training can also obtain accredited certificates that help them improve their chances of getting better jobs and increasing employment opportunities. Educational institutions and companies working in the field of online education and vocational training can achieve economic and financial benefits by providing online educational and training services, and can also enhance their image and reputation by providing high-quality educational and training services. In short, online education and vocational training are two important fields that require significant resources and efforts to achieve their goals and keep up with technological and educational developments in the world. Through the joint efforts of individuals, educational institutions, and companies, new opportunities for learning and skill development can be achieved, contributing to improving the level of education and training in the world.